Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to give you a detailed review and tutorial of a very special Android application. If you use Yamaha keyboards like the Modx, Modx Plus, Montage, or the new Montage M series, this video is going to be very useful for you. The app we're looking at today allows you to control your synthesizer's live set patches directly from your mobile screen. But that's not all. It also features a built-in loop player. This means you can change tones and play backing tracks or loops simultaneously using just a USB cable without ever needing to touch your keyboard's display. This is a game changer for live performances where you need quick access. Let's start with how to get it. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device and search for MIDI Patch Changer and Looper. You will see the app listed there. Please note that this is a paid application, and considering the features it offers for professionals, it is definitely worth the investment. I have already purchased and installed it, so let's go ahead and open the interface. As you can see, the interface is clean and user-friendly. To get started, you will need a USB OTG cable to connect your phone to the keyboard. Once you plug it in, look at the top of the screen. It will show a status message saying "Connected." This confirms that your mobile and synthesizer are talking to each other. Now, look at these buttons or slots on the screen. Each one represents a patch on your keyboard. For example, if I tap the first slot, my keyboard instantly switches to Live Set 1, Page 1. If I tap the next one, it switches to User 1. It is incredibly responsive and works without any lag. This is perfect for organizing your set list. A very handy feature right here is the transpose control. You don't need to dive into the keyboard menus. You can see the plus and minus buttons. If you tap plus, it transposes the key up, and the display shows exactly how many semitones you have shifted. To go back to normal, simply tap the center button and it resets the transpose to 0 instantly. Let's look at the customization options. If you click on the Edit button, you unlock the full power of the app. You can rename every single slot. For example, if your first song is a piano ballad, you can rename Slot 1 to the name of your song. You can also change the color of the buttons to group them visually, maybe red for leads and blue for pads. You also have options to copy a slot, swap positions, or clear them completely. One of my favorite features is the search function. If you have a massive library of sounds, finding one can be hard. Here, you just type piano in the search bar, and the app will highlight exactly where that patch is located. Also, you can manually select specific user tones. By selecting your specific Yamaha model in the settings, you can browse single or multi-mode tones and assign them to a button. Now, let's move to the loop player. You can load audio files by long pressing a button or using the File Loader menu. You have two choices. You can play a file directly from your phone's storage, or you can import it into the app's internal library. Once a loop is assigned to a button, pressing it triggers the sound. For example, button 2 plays your drum loop. Pressing it again stops it. You can also enable loop mode if you want the track to repeat continuously. Finally, before we wrap up, let's talk about safety. The app has a backup feature. After setting up all your song names and colors, you can save a backup file. If you ever change your phone, just reinstall the app and load this backup file to restore everything in seconds. So, that was the full review of the MIDI Patch Changer and Looper. It's a powerful tool for any Yamaha Modx or Montage user. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.